Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen and this is Maahek Nair from Bodyprocoach Nutrition or Fitness. To look great, to look lean, you gotta eat very clean. We've got some great options of eating clean at the same time. It's gonna be damn tasty too. So let's go and have a look at the recipe.
Hi guys, today we're going to be doing grilled asparagus and bacon. It's easy, quick, with limited stuff. First we take Himalayan rock salt, drizzle it over the bacon. Next we're going to add is black pepper. Last I'm going to add is, that's 5 grams of almond flour powder and 5 grams of Parmesan cheese. Now I'm gonna take the sticks of asparagus. So in India we have thin asparagus. That's why you can see they're very thin. I'm gonna start rolling the asparagus from here. That's here. Here, it's done for the next one. Start from here and we roll it. There we go. Now we're going to take a pan, heat the pan with really less amount of oil. We're going to use spray oil on the same, and now we're going to add the asparagus and bacon. And we're going to cook the same on slow flame. And our bacon is well done. So our keto asparagus bacon wrap is ready. It's an all-time favorite appetizer, guys. You'll all must try it.
Yeah, you want to make sure that you subscribe with the bell icon that you always get to know about all the videos that we have. We got videos on information, trying to look at that's about HIIT, high intensity interval training, and about some amazing recipes. And that's all you need to keep yourself in some amazing shape. So go out there, share the channel, and I'm sure that you want a thumbs up because we've got everything that you need to be fed. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.
So Kiara's having vacation, so she's with us in preparing all these recipes. So thumbs up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you. Okay.